How to change addresses on Temu app. Welcome to the channel and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, you will have to install your Temu app if you have not yet. If you already have it, launch your Temu application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the U option at the bottom. In here, you will see the addresses option. Select the option of addresses. In here, you will see the option of delete, copy, or edit. If you want to edit your current address, just tap on the edit button. Now, just go ahead and edit your street address or your country or region. Once you select your street address, it will automatically edit your zip code, state, and city. Then tap on Save. If you want to add a new address, tap on Add a new address. Enter your full name. Then go ahead and enter your phone number. Make sure that you are using your country code. Now you have to enter your address manually. In order to do so, enter your street address. When you select your street address, your zip code, state, and city will be automatically edited. Tap on Save, then for verification enter the code. And that is how you can even add a new address to your Temu app. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.